In Tractor Ted and the Big Machines, we take a trip to a large arable farm. It has huge fields, which need some really big machines. Big combines, big tractors, and big lorries. The children take a look at one of the biggest combine harvesters in England. They help the farmer from going down a lane that's too narrow. So much grain has been gathered from the farmers that a new barn is being built to store it all. They use lots of different machines, such as cement mixers, articulated trucks, and excavators. Enjoy watching some of the biggest machines at work on the farm, including a huge tractor, even bigger than me.